Okay, well, as I'm waiting for this to dry, I just wanted to show you something here that I thought was pretty slick. The owner decided, you see these, here's a mini blind on this door. The handle used to be the opposite direction. It would always fit in here and stuff, and they flipped it around the other way, and I thought that's kind of slick. It's kind of unconventional look, but it really works out good because then it's out of the way of the mini blind. How did they do that? Because the screws are the same on this side. What they ended up doing, some handles you're able to do it, you pop a little pin right in here, push it, pop this off, and so they took the handles and they flipped them. See, this one here used to be on the inside, and they were able to flip it here, and now it kind of dips down that way. And this one, this is how I like to have it look, but this is on the outside, and that's okay. They end up doing that. Very seldom do they use the outside anyways. There's a way you can fix that, just like that. Kind of like that. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. I went to Costco and I got there at 6:01. Guess what time they closed?
6 on Sundays.
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yep.
Oh my God.
I missed out on Costco.